At first glance, all CNC machine tending robots can seem to be about the same. Once you look beneath the surface, you find that nothing could be further from the truth. Our robot comes standard with airflow functionality. As you're entering the raw and finished piece dimensions and the piece count, the software offers you the optimal airflow pattern to keep chips out of the work holding device and off finished parts. You can select the optimal offering or you can choose the pattern you want. Either way, the robot will be blowing air to keep the chips at bay. As you explore CNC machine tending robots, remember that our airflow feature is standard and uses your existing pneumatic line. We integrated the air pressure lines inside the robot arm, so there's less risk of damage. As you look at robots, be sure to look at all the details. When you see the differences, you'll start to understand the value RoboJob-USA brings to your machine shop. Ready to explore more? Call us at 866-952-9020 and press 1 to start the conversation. RoboJob-USA, first in CNC automation.